Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. You've seen it all, but you haven't seen this? A 13-year-old turning the crypto world upside down. Stick around to find out how this wild ride goes from a massive pump to a full-on crash and back up again. Alright, picture this. A 13-year-old kid gets the genius idea to launch his very own Memecoin on the Solana blockchain. Now we know crypto can be crazy, but what happens when a kid is in charge? Spoiler alert, chaos. This kid launches the QUANT token, and within no time, it's soaring. But here's the kicker. He decides to dump 51 million tokens live on stream, pocketing a quick $30,000, while the coin absolutely tanks. As you can imagine, the market didn't take too kindly to that, and QUANT's value took a nosedive. Now here's where the plot thickens. Just when you think it's game over for QUANT, something insane happens. The crypto community, being as unpredictable as it is, decides to turn the tables. QUANT's price bounces back, and not just a little. We're talking a massive 77,000% increase. This wasn't just a small rally, folks. One lucky trader cashed in a cool $1 million while our 13-year-old mastermind was left with, well, not much more than lunch money. Can you believe it? 1 minute, the kid is celebrating his $30,000, and the next, he's watching other people rake in a fortune. Talk about a twist. But wait, it doesn't end there. Oh no, this 13-year-old wasn't done. After the QUANT disaster, what does he do next? He launches another coin, this time called Sorry. Yup, you heard that right. It's like he's saying, sorry, but I'm about to rug pull you again. Once again, just like the first time, he pulls the rug. Bam! But this time he still walks away with $20,000. And I have to say, it's kind of impressive that he didn't completely crash and burn. So, what can we learn from this crazy roller coaster ride? Well, first of all, crypto is an unpredictable beast, and for some people it's more about the thrill of the ride than the end result. Sure, the kid made some cash, but in the end he's learning some tough lessons in the process. And if there's one thing that's certain, it's that the crypto community always finds a way to turn things around. Whether it's bouncing back from a crash, or making the most of a bad situation, these traders know how to play the game. Alright, that's it for today's crazy crypto story. What do you think? Was the 13-year-old a genius or just another kid playing with fire? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more insane crypto news, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there in the crypto jungle.